Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic. Now, Luna continues to drop. Now, the marketing volume of Terra Classic is now trading at $18 million. And this is the first time Terra Classic will be dropping so down up to $18 million trading volume. This is a coin that was trading with about $600 million not quite long, as about 3-4 months ago. Today, Luna is trading with just about $18 million trading volume in 24 hours. This tells you that the burn of Terra Classic, the plan to burn trillions of billions of Terra Classic coins is not going to be possible, because they'll be recording low trading volume, which will result to low burning in terms of tax burn, using the tax burn. And also, this is going to continue because so many people no longer trust Terra Classic. You can see the trading volume, $18 million. $18 million. For me, I think this is very small for a coin like Terra Classic, a coin that is ranked among the top 80 crypto coins, trading with just $18 million trading volume. And I remember with $600 million trading volume, Luna was burning almost 5 to 8 billion coins. Right now, as I'm talking to you, Terra Classic is finding it difficult to burn below 1 billion. And even as of in 7 days, Luna was burning about 1.5 billion coins to 2 billion coins every 7 days. And today, Terra Classic is burning 200 to 400 million coins. And Luna was actually burning about 1.2 billion coins in 7 days. So this tells you Terra Classic price have let it drop. And right now, for me, I will always advise every Terra Classic holder to be very careful if it means selling some part of your holding, if it means selling half, 50, 67, whatever thing you choose to sell. Sell some of your holding, because anything can happen. Luna drop. It looks as Terra Classic is going to continue dropping more before the end of the week. And imagine Terra Classic dropping more. This might result to more price fall. Already the price of Terra Classic have really dropped in terms of in the past 3 weeks, all the way from 0.00008 to 0.0007, which shows that Luna drop will continue this week. So please, if you have Terra Classic, I would advise you should prepare yourself for anything, maybe selling some of your coin, or if you wish to keep holding. But for me, Luna at the time of recording this is not trading well, so one needs to be very watchful about Terra Classic coin before it drops more. The more it drops, the more your money loses value. But the only way Terra Classic can revive is if they increase the trading volume, the money, huge amount of cash is being traded on Terra Classic coin. If the market cap increases more, this might help Terra Classic, but there is no sign of all this coming for Terra Classic. There is no sign of more money coming in towards Terra Classic LUNC. There is no sign of market cap increase. So this is why I would advise you need to be very careful about Terra Classic LUNC. While I was still hoping that other crypto coins like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, will also rise in order to help other coins to rise. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.